Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create animated lower thirds in After Effects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first step is to set up your composition. Simply open your After Effects and go to New Project. Now create a new composition, that is Ctrl+N and Command+N. You can simply set this and set a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and duration up to 10 to 15 is enough for a lower third. Now you need to create the shape or background. Use a rectangle tool or rounded rectangle tool to draw a bar where the text will sit. Now adjust the fill like solid colors and rename the shape layer. After this, you need to add text. Select the text tool and type your name or title, and then align the text over the shape using the align panel. Once this is done, you need to animate the entry. You can select the background bar layer, press P, set a keyframe at the starting position, and you can simply repeat the text layers but delay it for a few frames. Once this is done, you can animate the exist and add polish. Once everything is done, you need to save as reusable template and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.